Welcome to LixelStudio software tutorial. This video will cover the installation and activation process. To download the software, please visit the official website's download center. Find LixelStudio in the product list on the left, and click the icon to start the download. You could also download the software user manual, or apply for activation codes from these links below. After the file is downloaded, right-click the installation package and run as administrator. You can just click Install, which will install the software on the C drive by default, or customize the installation path. If there is an older version on your computer, it needs to be uninstalled before you can proceed. After the installation is completed, open the software. At this time, the software will prompt that it is not activated. Users can choose between online activation or offline activation. If your computer does not have internet connection during this activation process, only the offline method can be used. Note that software activated using either online or offline mode can be used later without an internet connection. Therefore, we recommend using online activation. For online activation, you need to enter the corresponding activation code. If you have purchased our handheld scanner, please click the Apply button and use the device serial number to apply for the activation code. Here, you should enter the complete serial number of the device, which should be obtained from the mobile app homepage after you have connected it to your phone. After the application form is completed, 3 permanent activation codes will be sent to the email address provided. Please save those codes properly. If you have not purchased our scanning device but would like to use the software, please contact our sales manager or your local agent to obtain a temporary activation code. For offline activation, you need to copy this request code to the corresponding sales manager. They will apply for a license for you. After receiving the license, import it to use the software. Note that each online activation code or offline authorization license can only be used on one computer. Once it's used, it will become invalid. After activation, your authorization period will be displayed. Confirm it to start using the software.